No, no.
Yeah.
What are you doing that for? Are you mad at me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because of the vacuuming? Yeah, but look, it's all because you had all those crumbs all over the floor from all the saltine crackers.
Yes.
Okay, you can move the crackers out of the way, or do that.
Excuse me, you do have to clean it.
Yes, you do have to clean it.
Oh.
That's what you say when you don't like things.
I don't like that.
Now, move the gray blanket.
Wait. No, No,
You're getting really good at that, bud. I'm really proud of you. Did you get everything? I can still see from here there's a bunch of stuff.
Yes. Yes.
Well, you hate this, don't you?
Yes.
Do you remember how to make the vacuum more powerful? Remember you hit the button again? Oh, there's another button.
Yes.
Look somewhere. You want to bring it over here and I'll show you?
Right here.
All right, turn it on, then push that. On. Now push the button. Huh.
Fine.
I don't know. Hey,
Smash.
stop.
Yes.
Stop doing that, buddy.
Yes, it's good. Yes.
Come here. Now push the top one. Yeah. Now you got it. Good.
Pencil mouth does hurt.
Yes, it does.
Pencil mouth does get in pain.
Yes.
Pencil mouth got so hurt right here.
Pencil in the mouth got so hurt.
I know pencil mouth did hurt really bad.
Yeah.
I'd say pencil mouth. Oh, I'd say I know it did hurt really bad.
I know it did hurt really bad.
Go.
Uh-oh.
No.
Oh, make it powerful again. Nope. Power on, then you push the other button. First that, now push the other button. Yeah, you learned something. Good job. Oh. Oh, make it powerful again.
Yes.
Nope. On, then push the button. Use your other hand. No. No, stop pushing. Turn it on. Turn it on, now the other one. Okay, stop letting go of it. Okay, now push the button. There.
Good job.
Yeah, good job.